Sofas sometimes can look like a hot mess, but when you think about them strategically, you can really make your sofa become part of your seasonal decor. Fluff those pillows and think about keeping down to just a few colors. So we're gonna fluff these white pillows up, and as I said to you before, I love doing the dual-sided, but hey, you don't really see it. Fluff them all up and then start to layer. We've got some other of our fuchsia pillows. Got this beautiful red pillow with this gorgeous weave on the front that has a nod to Christmas without being too Christmassy. And then we bring in our other pillows just to balance it out. And these babies are pretty deep and lovely, full of feather, but when they're all together, looks pretty fantastic.